Automobile Dealers Union of Ghana announces 15% reduction in vehicle prices following exchange rate stability. The Omo can say, Honorable Eric Kwaku Boateng, National President, Ma Automobile Dealers Union of Ghana. Say, Carson, this is any dear. Omo Teso. Omo Teso. The one when he carry now, Mongo Pay car. They say, for what is 50%. You know, it's almost $1 no. Stabilizing for some time now. Na COVID-19 living also every ho. Enti ade so obugina so na omoka se omo tete car ne so a ehun ya no ma trotro ehun say 15% ado omo gi free so ebeba. Enti Automobile Dealers Union for say 15% they say no free car bia so kwa akoto car omo wa automobile for no on na so say 15% there ashe aba advantage to wow kwa sa vehicle musa say I don't know target group because scale dey there garages no bia o be ojire o obi are be bia na garage o but there that say the papa ko energy say yen take effect and I say or she bibi sa ase a ebe fra omo ma kanyina ebe fra obi anti so scale ho ada garage ho na want so na manfo atete omu die so a no kwase me wom ne se amanfo meto car no enti upo wumpo obeto car no ba beto because that is how they say omu so because say COVID-19 na free ho according to them ye free ho na say no $1 now for some time now stabilize the power unlike previously now fluctuations near high how about say kosura na fe aba from but I don't pay you better do come me catch yourself jame bo china in Bruno East na enema eba be koso no ho say apprenticeship program ekoso no the first and nyoma equipments I de be ma won no ahase na china and a first batch as be nyomu dia wo Bruno East arapa yankwa homa so na ye ne Bruno East Regional Minister Honorable Francis Owusu Antwi any komo enso ewo Honorable arapa marche Honorable marche okay ebehena Honorable marche
Lejo so unu
na obom ti sai
obo ade ada Roma ye nyina ye hoye
good ase so mo wa sha se wu sheki ho pa in fact mo bo adwuma mo to aso sa ne dia na ise ebe kama pa
me da wasi bebre
abo nyame bo achina activity no eye dan na ede be na be koso ankasa
yo be man ye di time me chia watiefo nyina na machia na nanom hemfo a be ya region hemu mechia ye papa nkramofo no me papa asofo security media nsoso me den chia sonkoma ho nyina me ankasa me party for a chama UNESCO eda no me chia ye party for nyina na nkramofo nsoso onchere eba be hye akonchena se be ne Kristofo nyina mesre twedi ampo nyankopon se omma yesunsumu ahoden a yedi betu sa na moyi na ne ye hwehwe bia nsoso otumfo nyankopon emfa moye na ommo mampanye His Excellency the President of the Republic se na ni swade hunu bia nsoso twedi ampo nyankopon omfa moa no na ho radio station nsoso nyankopon emfa na adom enhye homa
Sompa FM
na no pai de emse asema wabisa he woye nkomopa na woye nkomo nso a oyede yi emse time a omampanye okwa pro oshebo bebre na some of the programs in be opportunity say flagship programs na flagship programs benefit Ghana program ni bisusu ne apprenticeship program under the National Youth Authority. Enti apprenticeship program in omampanyin hwe hunu say the free education ye ba obi a wontimi nko school so ne chefa yam eyese nti omampanyin ankasa na adwene ne nyansa mu oye nhyehyeye se ye nuano mo a se bi beye anisuade hunu na beye nsano dwuma se beye sankrofo o se bon so national cake benyamu chefa enti district bia nipa yede befa ntete so ye select be 50 per district.
Okay.
Binim beye a tailor for binim beye mason binim beye tilers ne yakeka ho nyina welders ka ho afeso so sankrofo se enya nipa bia bebe train be wono ye frebe master craft persons. Sa master craft persons in so district bia nipa 10. Like I say, your region yimu, we have 11 districts and municipalities. Like I say, all the multiplier, ube master craft persons are a banner I engage be abusumi bia ube tuabe kama ba trainee apprentices. And this apprentices ya induction awie amatriculate. But fantiti yemu nyina awie. Enti ozase yenya normal de support be. Nti normal yɛ de be support be ebi yɛ dryers ne ne keka ho ono no nyame yɛ adomu a kyena first batch yɛ ba be che e de ama be second batch nso beba nti program yi nyina na mabɔ ne tofan ɔyɛ ba fantiti yɛ ase awie
okay
na yɛ de normal yɛ bɔ soba sene onam his excellency na ni so ade hunu nti
arabo that is way air for masters now omo be kyerɛ omo maka na na say.
Yes.
Okay.
Your masters nya bebe kyerɛ ba baka he. Bono ma nyina ba.
Okay.
Nti sɛ o de dwumadi ehwe obi nsa o sɛ o ma ne noma o de bedi sa dwumadi.
Exactly.
Di sa noma ni abedru.
Na oka first batch and I just dodo na beba o.
Obi beba.
But you are grouping them in batches.
Exactly. On say anamon wo hakra wo betu a anamon wo di kan ne ho hia pa yi.
No correct.
Want to anamon wo di kan ya won kodu anamon wo ha. Nti every 100 mile journey begins with the first step. Nti ne aka nyina so aban wo beye.
First batch ya de any career say so far the papa say de be hwe omo ani machina.
For now time I produce and me all kasa onam sensem he doors nti. National media interview ya different sector. Ti me catch and say ko ma me office na nka me ma ne detail. No say program so eya no pai.
Yeah.
But say mama ho audience so a all listeners so be twan. Enti for now details in here
I understand. Entiase wo. But honorable ohwa ho fama yeduan ma bewo Bunu East region no say na bafa no.
Come again. O question here ma.
Na mi busa say yenuan mo Bunu East ye ya yatena kenten ne sa area no say no mo so fa no.
O program here there amount for the anigye pa I embrace the program here because se ohwe Ghana youth obi anya adwuma obesua obi anya school obekọ obi ana bibi kitua bi esi ne kwan nti sa akwanya hia yin ho ne omampanye di aba nti obi ani age ho. Okay, so far so good.
All right, Arabo, that is a china anopa na ebekọ so nya sa
o china anopa no ndu 10.
Okay, exactly.
Regional Coordinating Council RCC.
Nice. Anopa me ana ase say am kan dia ma mo na to aso sa.
All
right. Arabo Francis Bunu East regional minister da no peltis ye no edi nkomo na nanom yakofa ho because of kan ho how ni say no yakofa hodom na ye hwe ni area ho. In fact enyanye ye sa but o ma hye nwoma ase a so mo to aso sa de aba kwajigu mu so dia ano na ye de kan da ase na no awo. Because I'm not happy say but I bet you baka as a bonny there be a phobia. I will never attack Obia personality. But I do my way ekoya yebeka I don't pay but the sense so dear that's why that's so queen won enche ye the babu bonus says how I know omu say dear do ye. So yeah, we can say now.
Sompa
I move
FM.
from region way, no akoshe region way. That wa ba hakakra, no ba we can spa tina pa kumase tina pa ya na din. Na namu a hwehwe nwoma. Also some na nya akonya tina. Urewuram say be ya. Questions and things that people want to see no. Also bedi ho adwuma momu. Yare automobile for no so bedi komo anope. Kwame so atena se Kwame anope ma chen.
Obeni mi jozo.
Open pom ti say.
Obeni your body ada Roma bibia e fine. Nantie ni adwuma yi anti no. Ya na ho na mbre kakra. But for God and country we are here to serve. And it is what we love doing best. Tia beko so ani asom. Obeni pa cho na nzo e.
Oya mi ado me ho ye pa.
Obeni you look good.
Oka for God and country and ma kai mi nua abuchi. Me bra abuchi.
Abuchi.
Abuchi anope good morning. Very charo. So ono Sompa nkran.
Yes.
Ji of abochi marching.
Yeah, man, special good morning.
I don't beneno. I don't call Ogosis on cry. It's a beautiful moment. It was a beautiful moment. I didn't cry for no question. Nah, it was nice. Yes. I mean, a lot of things are happening. Still, Coco wants some Fifi Koita Bekasa for vote buying the position of MPP ne press conferences omuye geared towards sa and komono Dr. Mahamudu Baumia so akasa de na se kese pa ma party no afi okachom so munyina amra na de mu adi no muninko free the way forward for them no omu enhwe they have been programs ekokoso eroda Kwame
Obeni mama ndasi anopai na fi menchia ya tifo na ye no mo asenso se omo achisu Sompa TV Sompa FM anopai na woman ye edi juma ewo honum Kwame me sha se de afi kuku ho ensemsem yi eho na kuku ho ensemsem yi se de asia peja na abayi no me srese aban be pe kwan baako mienu bi so na afi nso wasama eye ahotoso awehemu ne gidia na kuafo no wo so mbekoso a produce kuku e de ama oman Ghana no wo matumi anya sa gidie no ne ahoden no ne nkranhye no so mbekoso a produce sa kuku because Kwame say anya sa pa dia na je say ye lusu ade ba ko a e de lot of forex e de ba ye system no mu e de ba ye economy no mu na ye ma ye economy no so ejina na so ye lusu which say ya ma ye ni anko ne ye lusu a be ha yen because gold ya make Kwame ya ka say an ya refinery ye koso atuye Kwame bedru bre bi e besa esanso a what other things near wo memu ha bitumi de ye ho atoso e kuku nso de yenya dua na ekosa na ye bitumi akosa na etwasa na afibia enya so mfaso eno nti na free tete sa be pem ne yati kuku still a kuku da so eboye ena kuku no nso a yati se da so boye no Kwame yenti se kuku no se nsase esensu yenti se kuku no ama nipa home esesa yenti se kuku no edi yedem edi ede oyene kase ebre yen a doctors for predict nimbum what we know ne se kuku no eboye ebusu economy no eboye your health because minim se kuku haban no ni kuku manankasa ni kuku no ye di wia sa shells ne nasefo ye woni ma hodo pia ye di ya ede ye apomodren ne ye asetena panso ede bre so we should take a very good look at that na yen tenase biem na yen you know now Kwame this morning I have some questions bia me bisa say adentina ye grow a valuable cocoa but still Kwame your farmers no do na poor. It's a simple question. And I mean bisa say yen we memu ha yenim se cocoa e boy na de mfaso e bre yen bebrebe no na edisika hodo ba na na wo cocoa bo no bi ya adwuma cocoa boda is that the results of a cocoa ye don wo kurom ha cocoa farmers e produce na manipa no or daviate mu nipa no na setena mu ahenha no na ye kama to what we adwuma cocoa boda respect is attached to ne din ne niema hodo aye. Why are we growing this valuable product in this country but still ye cocoa farmers no most of them are poor. We should think about this. We should sit around the table. Now you miss your question. You say it could be say there are a lot of factors to it. And it could be say we don't value cocoa nankasa you produce what memoir and are the producers of this seeds, of this beans, of this product are poor because say you value cocoa now you the premium to cocoa. So Kwame Nkwantabisa sure say your farmers no
oh yes.
But it is because you have premium, you have respect, and a young value cocoa. No, to me, to my understanding, and price I don't know. And running cocoa for
cocoa farmers for
yes.
Every says own for cocoa farmer for. Kwame, maybe I will there. You involve the cocoa farmers
absolutely
as stakeholders.
Yes,
you involve them. And then now you taking decisions that may affect you more. You don't take decisions. Omunya part of adena omu ankasa na direct beneficiaries are. Sadia no ebo so.
Sure.
Intimate abia beka. Koko unkomo ebe ko so edi kopim se kwafo ebe so mu yo.
Yes.
Because they have been neglected for some time now. Years ago, even during the time I see a scholarship war. Na cocoa farmers crowd ho na ko obi on motim say ne papa kura nim cocoa asase ho maache that person will get a scholarship na cocoa ni ba ho people are enjoying good living nipa na ono beans na ye to aye titi bi atu aka no is suffering. What happened to a pensioner scheme I say ya ma cocoa for? What has happened to it? And sometimes you are at a place and you see, say, baby, you are no head of it. You see some of these things, but administratively, you can justify it. But never be odd ma. Me to me, you watcha. And me see a kind of creature because me kind idea bay. Me kind ya and people decide oh. I'm say idea we ya man yosema emboy. Koko on ne buo ne yemfa nya man yosemu. Enti enei se onipa na koko buo no ebia pa nyama bi asutu kosora say de kane no dollar no ahoden isi di ahoden ba foma dollar no ahoden ye den no a bibi kakra bi obe no obenane anasi di na ye bebre nasi di na ye bebre if you are of day no o de kakra bi eba na o de tua koko fo ka na ye bebre but Kwame, when you start pumping dollars into the system, a boamantimum hinhaum, but it has its own repercussions and also economically. So shall pumping more dollars. A babua, unyama we importing in our bay fine. A one baba from, but also dear, or exporting, you not get much returns. So there are two sides of the coin. I was a debia oshe. One can is it is not going to help you. I am wow. So debia I'm saying say, Utie said the our federal market say can say they will force NDC to pay cocoa farmers. Our federal markets. Kwame yetieda bada worry.
The weekly minority for parliament. Ebeye. Cocoa farmers or Musicano, Ombetri. If we are no swap, MP before I issue, Mr. Colleagues, they will try and divide us and come with all manner of arrest. Every now and then, when their back is against the wall, they will come out with arrest. Please, we are politicians, they are Chua and your body. Yenjina Pintin, Chair Dr. Baumieti. And win power 2028. Don't let them intimidate you with arrest. Now, the third reading. The weekly minority for parliament. Ebeye. Cocoa farmers or Musicano, Ombetri. If we are no swap, MP before I issue, Mr. Colleagues, they will try.
I like the vim. I remember my case. I love the vim, but honorable, you know, say, oh, say to be our move platform now. Why me I say can be ma.
They get charged.
Yes, party for no
yes,
I was the
the
aura that it comes with, you know. I had a fed, but in this hat would say there is nothing minority can do. And minority may. The mighty minority they don't pay. Oh, we because they have outnumbered you already. Their government in power. This is the decision. It's infinite. All the court and out of the way. I know yourself. Kwame, twaso.
Di Kwame, no ne seminar course. The first question then besides say valuable product. I didn't know cocoa farmers na still a or more that so wo hie mo ahokyere mu na hu cocoa farmer Kwame. Enya kono say wo na eboa yen ma ye forex no boa yen ma ye economy no ekoso and now we can say we pump dollars e the good system no mo a eba be duru ba bi wa ba gi wani so that is when locally produced near no when nko ho now add value to it so that those things will produce you this forex e betna na enye artificial near hodo na will produce you but then a real economy na nkasa na produce this forex. Kwame, my next question they say sa new model price na wo mo dia ba ya nano finance minister no chimu say the farmer is taking almost more 90 point something percent of a sikano and a kuku board near buying a 10% no me bisa say this new model price in our barbonte with the 90% a year gross a year FOB price na ebe to aso sa na say change in price in world market es chance here nothing es seje de kosura Kwame one best is this new FOB price now and I said they will continue to let the farmer enjoy nenkonko ba say world market akoso nebia per bag ebia all the $4 ni wa Kwame and nam and I'm 9,000 sorry and I'm 9,000 not ye be ma farmer no 3,600 ye be ma farmer no 4,000 e be koso sa na sense because now when omo dey sa omo policies ne decisions no omo take the babonte no omo kan we no Kwame me de man shedante sa e hodom say ye ba be maintain ne sa amanako though omo sa anso can say automatic adjustment price beba and also woman chiremu says e koba say teswa say ne ebe ye no e kosura say ne ebe ye na say ne sitie afi no omo de bill ne kwa bonten ya ye twen but me bisa say this new FOB price new model price na ba bonten na no na finance minister said the farmer is enjoying 90% no so what's price increment about world market na e kosura one be kosura enjoy 90% now said they will come out to tell us another story say yes sana amana you see they should come out clear this time round na enya nhase no na Kwame me no mi enu na akuafo ni nyina ye nti ase and to me koso say the bia PRX the bia no mo ba be ka de omo pe e de akire because womo ena ye the determinant of a cocoa price each and every day there be yen to mean to us because right now farmers they are upset because one Kwame delays in payment and a koso and ene what the price drop e dey suddenly e dey aba hit you omo a wo bu di omo beye cost of farming no so kwa na ekosoro because Kwame labor no niema hodo a wo betoto ne nasefo no ni nyina ekosoro di nyina ewosoro enu nti wo mo hyase no mo mayenti niema baku mienu miensa bi ase because the farmer is now becoming discouraged. The farmer is now weighing the option say onto the cocoa fu asase no na galafo family galam say onko so anye because and now na Kwame ye ma farmers na kwenya bi mo frɛ ye bi ka kire ye say Kwame wo ma paade say ombemo mo wura cocoa fu mo de lalai meanwhile these same farmers wo nananom na hyase na eye o mo akono emudi sisi dan de hwe school editua school fees e de hwe fie yie na fie gina no e na show obu nkran na o mo inherit ye and almost obey farms. But now also money back and cocoa into cocoa farming. Kwame should tell you a lot. It means that the future of your cocoa production, no, Kwame, a Jackie, a shaky, in a dire situation. I was say you might need alcohol because they've been discouraged. The new prices are about mounting. And the woman shall say, my anything common as say, as time goes on, no price never cost way dinasa. Woman the near maybe go a quemua, or body best check your phone cry. Now, things so almost for can be so nuclear phone didn't come. I'm on Martin, someone say, because all I know for now, they say, before say this price drop, he be mountain, woman shall for. They took the decision by themselves. Was I did see no not me person can many cocoa farmer president didn't come more over Fidiuma. But come over for any beer or see ye meeting, it tells you say a fain are buying no engage you. A fain are buying no near more a didn't come more. Now you may inco hanum kwame yan shasi and process your cocoa no krumaha. Okay. Yan shasi na chocolate hodo na ye no yan yen baby wo krumaha. Yan shasi and add value to what we are producing.
Almost more plant processing plant.
Yes.
Now yan add value.
Yes.
Gold board for us show us the way. Gold board for me who say kwame so shall say now what the value e can raw material ho ebeye. Omo ba da bay. Though I believe say that time PMMC for no in charge, but God board for take you over.
Yes.
Within few years, Oma shall say, let me say few months. Oma shall say, yes sir, you be a refinery, you be add value to your gold no. Cocoa board for 1880s as a damn mobile, say 17,000 buy. A day da mo ye.
It Kwame yes romo. Woman shall say, see more processing plant in Kroma. Yan shasi any adding value to your cocoa. No, Kwame, now him. See, shasi any yes, sir. It's an employment opportunity.
Oh yes.
A baby creative jobs. Any and buy a mabunu baby because one more produce cocoa no. Ye wienswa ye process ya woman so more. Kwame ye wienso near baby export so a way of helping the country now. Forex a who do ba profit a who do ba sika who do ba ya emrofu yi hu say ye produce ye cocoa no mo say ye cocoa ni quality no say ye beduru ba ye be ka chom say ye mfa cocoa no mremo some more person more turning into different product braha no be set wo industry braha be set wo factory na produce no ha na fa kwa bontin cotton e basa Kwame we are gaining more grounds
and no ma crowd mo di cocoa no koye no and no mo di cocoa no koye no. Said okay, when we set up these plans, we will we once also while refining a processing.
Yes.
Yeah, the new man beko as exports.
Yes.
And no crab generate much money than say yeah the raw neko.
However, Kwame ye shall say new criticize industries ne factories you okruma. Oba beto beans na and nam say yen shada makwan ma beans no raw beans no free krom hadom no. Obe person or the a lot of money beba no oba befa the beans no dey akọ because your man who say yen yankasa ye processing beans no yen ye turn beans no into another product enti say oba befa beans no raw we are placing premium on it enti ye dey say na be ma say won pa akọ Kwame, so it will open more opportunities for us as a country ebema ye system no ni economy no grow speedily because the near be wo opening a new question to your once. Look at all these things we are producing. Kwame, what is say akwa cover raw material be the free abroad dia ba say about turning into finished product okromada. Menti bi da. Fi say me see so maintain in penisem. Say ye akwa cover raw material be free abroad dia ba ha. Aba be processing on we are sign export to know. All of the time we go for their finished product.
Why are they assembling? Why are to no about assembly?
And you know, the near man crab about no about say, no man, oh, had them see. But ye nyama reasons for them to come and then some baby setting up factories in the industry. See what? Yeah, now Kwame. President Mahama now no kasa yo say ye near ye baby process ye baby produce neoma. Obma sa neoma yi nyina mbeka ho. Nothing so you
there's a difference between all canning you
Well.
Yeah, was some time ago. Yes, any Cote d'Ivoire for Cambom. Any Cote d'Ivoire for Cambom. And yeah, Baby, oh, what dear, I didn't know what you're naturally. Oh, what do you? No one sank a jacka. I'll pay jacka or Pamentad mammy. That jacka, we ain't me match the jacka send him a ton. What you doing?
What? Share.
That is what is happening. Who cook on your natural wabeton, Robert, natural word market say, or more when you have do, or market can your mabum, they say the beton.
Yes.
On top of your mako.
Yes.
Because on so the bar, you are vulnerable over the bar. Only share what they bar be.
Debbie. Kwame, get to be on Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
Remember Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, but Mammy read the messages. No, Sheriff Agumbede say good morning, Sheriff. Good morning. Or message in 050-943-8500 050-943-8500. Daniel Coleman say from for Kenya say number 2 Jericho. President Mahama totally failed Ghanaians, especially cocoa farmers. Greetings to Honorable Howard Kumsen, the incoming national women's organizer for NPP, and teacher Kujo Tepa and Yinasusu. How pathetic can the NDC and their communicators be, especially when they try to shift the blame onto the previous government? If Cocoa Board was in heavy debt, how come the current management spent lavishly on themselves by buying luxury cars for themselves and their senior directors? Again, was it not same NDC that told our cocoa farmers they were being underpaid by another government, but that they would pay them what was rightfully due? So after 1 year, what went wrong? This incompetent NDC government should give Ghanaians a break with their constant propaganda. Enough of their deceit. Greetings to Honorable Eric Nanajiman Prempe MP4 for Anu North and Chairman Prempe MP4 for Chairman Prempe. Okay, Chairman Odeno Kwaku Apia, Kuka and Justin Frimpon Kodria JFK. Most dia Mode Aba Enono. Na Mamira messages, normal messages, so that me hear dia Mode Aba. We say from Golden Boy, Anas Mamponting. Let me greet Chairman Nana Kwesi and Chairman Kufulu, Kwabri East. The incident of their tomatoes traders is not caused by the Ghana government. They are making their own business, though it is very unfortunate. So Ghana government should try as much as possible to do something about it. This is not something that NPP communicators and their so-called serial callers should be going to take this for the propaganda and stop throwing sand into our eyes. Okay, Golden Boy. And so dia no pay Ade Aba enono. Why me no pay na me ne Kwame ka say. It is very unfortunate to say yenko omo nkwa akoto tomatoes no. Ato yenchem say koto mo Burkina. According to Minister of Interior, I'm confirming this situation. Kwame, there have been times the signals come, especially in neighboring countries. You say terrorism. Aji kroni nyina aji omani nyina afa no. There we are me kase. Ya wasase yentam bebre egu oman. Udu of the regional. Ya wasase akakra ka abodo egu oman. Edan ya this answer ne. Eruba bi da is aso aba. There's a Pualugu dam yi ba be fanyema. Aso hwe
na Pualugu dam no.
Pualugu dam be. Boho kra unya.
Pualugu dam no.
Boho kra yenya. Yet wa by now kaya yetimi dua tomatoes. Tamale tomatoes if you northern side oba up to say ka anije kra because unim die kom. Kwa me dia ya no mu akwafa no bebre mu bonu no mu nwi hu. Obi wakra mu obabi ha de ye na Burkina fo ndedi. Ha de de ma mo mbetu akono. Baria was as a gebetima yes tomatoes. Self, sufficient. But there we have to run to borders say ya kwa pet tomatoes ato.
It is because Kwame chese ya ma system na say amakuani no.
Why?
Nyankuranshe bia wo di produce bi.
Why?
Ya wasase Kwame de ye bedo bia de ye di be wura asase no mu bia Kwame. Ade ne be fifi na so aba kama jene entos abro mako green pepper cabbage Kwame just name them bibi bia kromu ha ye de sha asase ni mu a Kwame ebe fifi ni anya so aba. But here is the case say we are not encouraging these farmers. We are not incentivizing these farmers.
The little that we have, the little farmers that they are doing was in the northern region. Kwame, off season.
Yes, that is your mom.
You call off season, and I know show you so. And I obi fresh say a moon. Abegua for now. Promo no be obetomo.
Yeah, nyatofo.
Meanwhile, Ghana ha. Yeah, school feeding.
Yeah.
Ghana ha boarding house no. If free senior high school no dining no. And more part they taking measure of Modianum di. Hey, you did rice water, you did jollof, you timi di mono ko to me di
kruma. Bibie di kruma.
Enti I am one say. Ye be we ni aka say local rice no egu oyento ade ya. Infiltration of foreign rice no it take over.
Kwame, why should foreign rice ya? Kwame, ense da ni ahoodin bebrebe amani padua no. Ebe overtake ya indi local rice na Kwame na mrofo no kura epeni di kura chen obo mo white rice no.
Kwame me sin okwa Nigeria. Umpo udru the PH Port Harcourt River Sodo.
Yes.
And Lagos bebia. Umpo with your mumu.
Oh yes.
Akakraka. Why you can go to a 5-star hotel, a 4-star hotel, and more ubedi and found ubedi o mo nebi.
Kwame, and can you imagine say ubetumi akwa kopie kuru bi mu a eyeketwa yesi ye bi restaurant. Kwame, no ase foreign aduane nko ano ye de to honom. Meanwhile,
perfume rice. Yes, I dey perfume rice.
Perfume ye be encourage mrofu no mo ba be di aduani no matumi patronize no matumi asesa bi de afiri ha ko mu kro mu no. We are not doing that.
Odi mo na perfume wo na head.
Kwame nansa yikura so hu video bi ni niam ahodo eba na na sefo Roberts bebre pa na edi wo kuruma yadua ni nso ya produce no wa hadem kama yedi akama but here we are why na mass amrofo yi anasa before yi nya interest e wo mrofo aduani mu Kwame these politicians because ukoni fia onu mrofo ni amankoa
so omutu kwan koba
tinapa ni nsuo ni be bia mrofo ni
ko no mu dia ba
we are what telling one politician na begin say we should patronize locally produced products. What are you telling me? Who now we a politician now you should be the leader. Nothing me so madi wachi no wo you sumra for the enti me ba ofie na mbe hu mro for ne ma na me so ade e fa nya me fe me nkonko yusu
why not I don't know
me kwa ko try ahwe
of course
omo nso ka ho na prices no so rocket sa no because we kwa no akosi send
na asem me tia se kra nyi
na obe de ati
say adom
obe de ati
ye wie emo ni go ye nya off takers ye nya buyers ego we don't have available market for
this product
and monu go
it is ye pe
and farmers e do mu say go mu ti say ye mu igu ho ye to ye mu yo
I mean you to me and refine ma nya white
still feeding
yes
that officer say agree okoteka faculty kakrakapa agree okotamali agree oko even you ne natural resource energy and natural almost so more section ye into crop research crop science and all that
and now okwa wo sisa wo courses ni nyina dey ko yemrofo courses accounting we women can say but
now wo technical university now here administration sometimes it's good to add to the technical but and yes no ye main focus because that wasn't I say bia wo Kumasi Technical University that was your major course away administration. How
can you imagine Kwame call STU
we are not even making the courses attractive
and next and come cause o move produce some machines ye ne cars na so for o metumi aye but hey yamana akwa ye lipstick ayi courses ne gu ho nti akra ne wie ya market bi ni ho a odi ne ho kwakọ wuram a produce sa ne ma no however se market no kura kakra na ewo ho no kura no ye ni omo ye den omo demand e bema supply no so atumi ade akosoro
kwa me mra na meba Dr. Baumia Kasa Dr. Baumia Kasa my read the message we from na yentie Thanksgiving DJ party ball from Kumasi Swami Ghanaians we don't have anything to say and the NDC government for their disappointment but they have forgot that 4 years is just here. We will vote them out. Greetings to lawyer, Chief Deputy Secretary, Ashanti Region, Dr. Baumia Chairman, Odeno Kwaku Abia, Honorable Macho Ofosubuache, former MC Swami Chairman Ousu Bempa, sorry. Inshaya so Honorable Hawa Kumsi, National Women's Organizer Hopeful, and JFK. Kevin, the moment Dr. Baumia Thanksgiving messenger or the Twabonting.
We have been through a grueling election cycle, one that has the potential to have caused wounds and strained relationships. Elections can leave scars that may not show on the surface, but can sometimes cut deep. Jesus taught us in Matthew 5:39 to 44 that when we are falsely accused, our response should reflect patience, truth, love, and trust in God rather than retaliation. This teaching, part of the Sermon on the Mount, emphasizes no revenge, no returning insults for insult, and responding with unexpected grace. I am strengthened and inspired by Psalm 23, verses 118 to 22, which tells us that the stone that the builders rejected has become the cornerstone. And that is why on this day, as we celebrate and give thanks together, I want to ask all of us from the bottom of my heart to forgive each other for some of the unpalatable things we may have said against one another during this election cycle. We have been through a grueling election cycle, one that has the potential to have caused wounds and strained relationships. Elections can leave scars that may not show on the surface, but can sometimes cut deep. Jesus taught us in Matthew 5:39 to 44 that when we are falsely accused, our response should reflect patience, truth, love, and trust in God rather than retaliation. This teaching, part of the Sermon on the Mount, emphasizes no revenge, no returning insults for insult, and responding with unexpected grace. I am strengthened and inspired by Psalm 23, verses 118 to 22, which tells us that the stone that the builders rejected has become the cornerstone.
All right, the Dr. Baumia. No boss scripture sa didn't there. The Baumia na me filio.
Oya diti. Obi kutu
ya kono kro ya kwanhwani ne kra no. Scriptures no nim dear but. Dr. Baumia boss scriptures man efe.
Kwame. Scriptures no. Nima o nim no. nya no ne hia o
anya no ho asem unim so a unye important
na me kire o say
na unim enya de ne ede
na de ni say wo de be ya adwuma no because right
now why ni mo abede de ya adwuma.
I mean right now quotations now o quote no what has happened to their party prior to this internal election no any quotation no quote no it doesn't because scripture no man nya adwuma na mo di di mo ho atem to mane mo ho di ye wo wi a wo di scripture no e ba be consolation
no one say make a cho say kwanhweni bible na kakakra kwanhweni ni bible na kakakra che say
kwan be so na ade kasa
sa Matthew 5:30 do quote ye eno ehwo hia e ma after election say ade asia wie ni yemfa nche na yenya wotimi wakame
nti bible na nso nka ebi ewo quotation ne mo say e ma saa ne ma no kra amada
o kan wo hin quote ye quoting the quote
me nim sa quotation ba me say bible na nka sa nka
o ye hey
bible na nka sa enka
unim
say we should love one another. That is the greatest
I don't know all
commandment.
cano. Say problem about all the child who love one another. I don't grow away. Love one another.
Me go to exact quotation from my opinion. Because me ko enya atom say me ko to say me ko enya adwuma.
Scriptures
because
I love you.
Love ourselves. It is all do young kwa Kwame. Ongo ka wo young go chire sometime time na we are saying Matthew 5 there wakwa pacho. You don't do that. You don't cause pain. Now we are going sorry. Sorry will not heal.
As some kind want you.
Masamante say. They na mante.
Scripture no nim.
They are mante. But your kind also they come here appropriated by this amoka. But maybe they are making say. They are making say. They are making say. Ne new kwanza o mama ni si. And no ne asem na make.
A human institution. Things do happen.
But
what do you do?
We give some of these excuses.
What do you do? Things do happen.
But I agree. I love the fact.
You agree.
I love the fact. Say, we should begin to.
We should coexist.
All of these things. But Kwame, and not just let's take our work.
I know your comment here.
Beyond that.
Back am fadia.
Safo yeah, no more any competitors or more contested. Na supporters a would work can some Eddie for bono, can some Eddie tia wobono. Kwame, now I'm asking this simple question. Says how for you Mutino Mobe campaign about Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Can they hold on and some now go for Ibeka? Almost all more quick in Abontiaco Cassidy or kind of toys to say no media preachy at the electorate. There be a see. The
first time if you talk about
because Ghana for so relaxed
and candidate be any war be free NDC MPP aba o ka so open wasema wonya bi there is no candidate a be free MPP ara NDC aba openyin wonya ne ho asem
openyin de make akwa
obi ani ho
openyin de make akwa
anya hwe obi kwa akofa bibia be bata ho
openyin de make akwa si ni say Ashasene say internal elections, and after all of these elements will come and then rally their support behind us. Until yet it your motonia can some bonidia form no. Ye bisaso watching woman someone babe can wabro mobile support to an ebigina. These are some of the cautions are not yet to my party for and say women are very careful. Because women create a certain part of their media, a certain part of the opposition party. Say Nemo Baba contested, they should use it against you. And no one else has here banner. Baba Umia, Mr. You should go beyond that. Says for you, Bashasia Como, you Makudin Como, you Waka Kasa, nothing a de papa yo, a dear toko. Not going forward, no. Sa unism na party in him. Party near to me have an to my perfra. Party no to me a certain focus, ne power for more chat to say, Yenina, a quite winny and namso, near Quadim. But then he should bear in mind, say, there are elections and so it's a woman here internal. This is where all of these messages will need to be and so sign here. Sorry, Jina no Jina and nice so say you have a promise for flag bearership. No, these were some of the words that you usually are not M1, not ATT party in them. And until you compare national executives, you compare regional executives, constituency, police station, ne branch, no, we should be mindful of the words I hear kwaku yusu. And yes, I be we no party ma better tiada. ye be wie no party ma enya sa courage ne say ma say ye de be babon ti won be som no makwa propagate ama timemufo. We should be careful. This is the time Dr. Mahmoud Maumia chere leadership na chere say would party nanim na chere say unison now open no would the juma party man so nsuafi because I know you to be that humble calm gentleman. Lead us, lead the party, lead the NPP. Na party no fa ntuma penfra Kwame da say
Anope 21st clinic ana me come for the amount amo obi ntina social media kan to say siatica wo dia na wo na ade wo na wo so wo na mo twetwe wo na me ohia tira ho obi ka jo say ya renti tira ho say a symptoms of something we treat it and the more obi ntina ba me ka jo say oh siatica na symptoms a symptom but it comes with pain. Ya catch us a pain now, but you need to treat it. A good year over when you say, oh, can't say any symptom new was actually remedy. So we say, because I'm saying there's a joke in your eyes. I dear any shame. We watch a remedy. Until 21st for research on Tiasia about how. Research no why nyam kwa nkosi baby na ukọ ekọ Google na utie bibi by 4 na afei AI boa is good but uya the practicality of the thing until at 21st clinic say ya de utisi echi besi unase no untiri na etwe saa no eye wo ya woda na untimi nkọ adwuma no etrobo bi nka say symptom na pain na eba no bra na ya mo ade ntu ase ekra ma wo yesa be ya wo yasa wo de obi anu achi na wo da ho ekum cause e kire obi bi se ade we e ba ne sei e se ya de kase bi be ba no anya fever feeling feverish no e cho se ya de kase bi be ba enti so ano wan so ano na wa na kuturukum enti brana 21st emwa yesa ya de bia na so e ba sciatica on e expert tell me obi nkan say mo no wanted the kan you as am remedy no was 21st clinic the expert doctors were on ma omo ye physio etin your friend other alternative what you say physiotherapists el hodum ye ma onura bibidro a they kan ho fe ye ma massage na fe ntini no etimi atoye o sciatica nerves no etimi a relief of the pain so now man nya kese 21st clinic and I make come from I don't pay branches in the door so Kumasi a crown overseas Sompa TV na also na ofom sa enso anabe Alpha Radio Obuase Council Quarters Court Junction and Crying Dome Market Sunyani Teaching Hospital and Kransa Techiman a branches in the door so for numbers in a fre baby a bell ya be mo akwono akwohwe ho 0249311311 0249311311 0540 311 0540311311 ofra baby bell branch bell na ya mo akọ ya rehwe ni na eyepe ya wo laboratory service so aba ya hwe wo ho no ma sanso na scan ho ya ma massage papa bi enso e de account arapai ya Roman father na duro no Roman father eduro no edura eye divine yaka say divine that is say nyame nankasa na eyi aduro naba nyame ensa hyem nsa wuram nsa dokorim eye Roman father aduro no arapa mesraw sa ho na asa ye otitiriti entra o me na wo yonsa say na wo yesi wanhwe adi beye wo stroke ana achewo ana se ohonam baabi ana ye wo ya wa ka se wo wa yo mremremre obre so na pressure diabetes ero so yade hadwen pa afa wo yade kwankwa okwa enkwa ohia Roman father na duro no aropa Roman father duro de woduma e boost immune no e ma ne fight yade bia wo system nim Roman father duro no 100% natural e dura edi wakagina mu anopa e manum emanom pebi na weakness na enko I don't pay a best medicine. Am I at Gibia? For 0247 919 122 0247 919 122 and 0552 668517 0552 866 8517 na kwaji Roman father na duro no Roman father na duro no ne ho asemanye arapai obeko school from form 1 form 2 form 3 a senior high school edia na me kamfo St Andrew Senior High School na mawo schools ne doso na mom de obon ho modern pa St Andrew Senior High School kwa check 2025 results e bae kwadana passe kama as I say bi ko tech e bi ko une e bi ko Legon e bi ko UCC e bi ko Jesus schools ahodo ne ho anomoko aropai uhia St Andrew Senior High School diditiru form 3 for no amo amoko kire ya amfa amamu afei obanu o school bi on say school no anhwe ya 2025 the age say one hwe oban ni tibet mane nyansa yidintam fa no ko St Andrew so no mu admit no there was state of the art equipments a boarding facility ho a kwadane ba onya ba bia da ne ho to no room ni na tiled is a bia ya kama urama say yes where campus where hostel papa where classroom papa arofa bomadia the copper admission ma ba no catch all ma me say anye ye second word wo ya wo koide once and for all St Andrew Senior High School aropa bray na yanyo branches no adoso yawo asinfosu yawo mankesim yawo dunkwa onofin yawo sewia sanwenso yawo new edubiase oba obenyayen sa enso so anye courses bi te say general arts, general science, business, home economics, visual arts, agricultural science nyina yeye bi elho fra 0244 696911 0244 696911 and 0207891004 0207891004 Nebra St Andrews Senior High School. And I peg Tagore about mixture and capsules. Tagore, Herba, Mr. And capsules. And then the mixture nano pay me come for the amount. And I pay erectile misfunctioning. Berman in Juma cry. And I say on and off. I say, traffic light, a bar near quote. As I report junction traffic light, And you know, see oh. Nyaman koye oya so ene de eno de babra mo mpe kra mo ani nje ho bema de also otimi bema won now bema sem ni wie peye o low libido gasa me de na me atinka o ye bema me de na matinka mo yo ba ya de we boa ma low libido ne ko ni na itago heba mister and the capsules infections ahodo anayew STI bay white gono syphilis de akeka ho onya bi na abobo a oyade na away opedodo to afre 0243 228 296 0243 228 296 okọ pharmaceutical shop any herbal shop papa bia obenya bi ato ho arapai ye tu kwan yenko sua de yenko ye adwuma enipa ensa enya adwuma ni se edidi knowledge is power Ye international courses at SAT, GRE, GMAT, TOEFL, and the Akika home. Express group and a registration, no international exams, a summer tuition. Over so to Kwaya, I want to the Enwani Express group. And I pay Oko Canada, USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Germany. Over the years, Kwame Nkwantabisa, and today that's with General office. As a full labor roundabout, Kumase, Honi Jina. Sanso den kra yo kaneshi first light ho na be hwen aropebo madia na bra ne sort art visa assistant na wo pe yamwa na akwaje visa ho nsem yamwa ne ntwa yi a express group okoye adwuma okosua de express group scholarship ewa brochure na wo pe express group sa enso na ticket na ne boofo pa wanya ho visa wi o pe ticket na ne boofo a express group sa enso na ye de okoto we adwumako ye individual ye top package no ho ma holidays la pese okudina mono ne a enso ye ho adwuma pa anapa bra as of labor roundabout Kumasi Kaneshi first light Nkran Temanso ko community 8 Lashibi golf filling station yene Lashibi funeral home ane benso Isle Gomonko Trinity Theological Seminar Sanson Atakrade Market Circle yene Hot Ernesto fast food no ana edi animhwe saa enso so ana mo a mo sunyan mo nkɔ Silver House da mo Silver House building nim ye ne court dan ana ben so anɔpɛ bomframa pa mo tamale no ye ne Tamale Teaching Hospital ana ben so saa enso so ana bia ni eye court mu mo ba ye behwe mo 024 900 00448 024 900 0448 and 055 555 0067 na ofra ya no bedi edwuma aboa pa ama wabrochi sem so aye kama arapa Kingdom Herbal Center aye kofa bai Kingdom Garlic Capsules and Bitters Kingdom Garlic Capsules and Bitters Kingdom ne garlic ne capsules no and ne bitters arapa Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules so the Almighty Tremendous Capsules arapa Almighty Tremendous Capsules na ye mama no arapa say oh na natural formula ya the way yes ya formulating no eboa ama ho atopa eti arapa bomadian na treatment all vagina issues and if you ho na nyoma enkoye brane settle bibia once and for all na if you ho enkoye emma eno tremendous capsules Kingdom Ginseng power capsules na ye mama sexual weakness we see na ya mental stress ne de keka ho a bejo de na bobo afi so pese o system no onya dido ada bia dido no eboa dido no se de ya na no kani na egu ade mu so anopa wabo bia ansa no aba adwuma eye Kingdom Garlic Capsules eno boost immune no ama ho ayedin ti anopa bomadia na brebi ebegibi Kingdom ewo odru Kanesia unya Drew Kaneshi Kingdom Herbal Center Okanshi Drug Lane all leading pharmacy shop and herbal shop obinya ye no papa bi enso ato 0597 298 855 0597 298 855 and 0559 761 144 aropa break now so ebejo the Kingdom ana no challenger our papa say oh yeah podcast and I will stream it online and I say anopai o pese o yeah film movie video bi na pese o yeah na say oh yeah sorry corporate bodies no you stream it monyo mama mo a your professionals are omunim camera handling sounds na camera na eba nya camera eni nya kura camera eni dawa ye twa picture team say yes say Sharif nyan say edimu ne da ho of a cloud team say kokwa ne da ho na say I kama edi amount RSYD Novigi Studio anopai ana make am for amount enkran ne wo malam abiase first Kokroko Street na de say Ghana ha nyina obukuye ya beba for 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 and 030 397 4822 and pay break na yen create something together abeja for atnase and pay yen komo enso ewo ho na kwaku phobia as watching live from Kote one down city NDC is better than MPP over to Ghanaians aropay kwaku phobia oronso dia odeba message nemfa okọ Sompa 93.1 Facebook that comment no afa hodum sounds na WhatsApp near 0509 438 500 0509 438 500 aropay odeba ebenya botre ya hwem ya scrutinizer kenkan ede amount kama enso so ewo ho na ewiase nyina atonka dia wonso so agenche a ode eba anopay Sharif Abdul Karim Atanase Jamama the National Democratic Congress sanso na Duvo Abraham Kletos of a Cleansu Jinamama the New Patriotic Party MPP anopay yeni komo of a clan of Emma Chain
Kwame Nkwantabisa ma promote papa Majority also promote
ma chena mimkan yo
Sir, watch you busa machi. I said, "I'm fine, and come pray."
Hey, automatic.
And I'm going to miss my promote damages. I was up more day.
Why I said, I assume you be catch him. Say, I go for me, no go Gwaji. I have visit near more mapo. Ana omuko you say questions no. So if I clean the burial ma, or number 1 sheriff number 2. Or number 2 ma mixing but the same questions. The first one go who's up or decided here. Who paid no new and say half or say. The questions are the same.
The same.
The upper way see questions no. If we say what is your name? What is your name near way number 2? And the also number 1 that's is or say from Asante Akye.
Aqua, the hardly bouncing the visa.
From Asante Akye no this I think Asante Akye ba who drew fear. That is Asante Akye papa. Apa ko di ko.
Abusa afwa wa abusa to kokko je visa kwa tukwa no.
That's Asante
Akye.
Sharif Mache.
Yeah.
Now pom to say
Boko His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and then a pamphlet Sompa almost some Ghana tea BBBA edited na kwe
me Ade we as pa member say metibi I want me program so you say Boko center for awo ma me bia na me or pema sempa free or the man can say biem say me mo bi kan say Boko center for awo sada no mu kan na okowo inti anopa wo ba fia na akwa de kasa na bra okofe ma o se man ba kasa center for awo
Ochi asa na say Barbara muso mu
ai
kan do be fa so no
free obo a me ma kasa wow that one. Okay, we will force the NDC to pay cocoa farmers what is due them. Afenyo Marcus, minority leader Fifi Kwete, massive vote buying rocked MPP flag bearer race. They didn't have the conscience to take action like we did. Fifi Kwete, General Secretary NDC, Baumia edges calm, warns against politics of revenge. Now I'm Thanksgiving a course so and Ade Akye Abia. Bamesha say free of a clear cocoa farmers. Soon say I didn't come na nyina ye project say we say na nyomasi kona a 2 option. It has a buying beko fesi ebeko out money to pay them and answer obe effect the current system the course no ate you pay ni so ampa what is so about more than 1,000 Ghana cedis. You be a can want some cocoa farmers soon will be a can want some. A friend marking say the minority be jinema so betriaka. Hey, casa and say hey okay good news I don't be a deal with.
Madam na match here for na come constituency na ofori constituency so me ncha come member of parliament honorable Michael Akosiedu over the weekend and last week he has been trending so much for good reasons. San say na koko hun sansa me yenu ani man disi for ne Randia be etutu mfuto bebre gu enframamu na eho behia say enya clarity na ahwe kwan a a member of parliament afa so de clarity aba to bear na enra echi news file na Randy to na ono no yesiu no the member of parliament no mark edu school no na wo kire no koko no set na wo so a wo de epini no wo kire ni mu na obo na tirin ko to say class 4 teacher o kire nkura de na nkura no ayeti ase no na edia na abade abanyi na no ya didi hu komo a na Nkwantabisa me I basically sum up near ekosuni na me abedi baby adru no e woni ma mienu me na bia owo ahafugo so na oka na asem na mpenifo kasa na Nkwantabisa aya na mu odru pa mpenifo kasa bi to ho no ma aya na over time ne ma bi sisi a ana ya te mpenifo asem bi o mo ka to ho no ye ti asem wo fa bi kan wo afugo so se kwase antompe yɛmfa pɛ ensoma kwase aso nkonkoton na mbusa mo fa na kasa we di asa no ode se kwase anton pɛ ɛna ɔba bɛkyerɛ me mu sɛ no ɔfa dam ɔfa kyerɛ me mu na kaka soma o kan de menti ase ɔfa se kwase anton pɛ san sɛ o de pɛ soma kwase sɛ kwase akɔtɔ pɛ a o se pɛ na me de small no ba ko 5 cedi fa kodwam go so dwam na o de pɛ na akɔ go so dwam ukuada pɛ o ba ko 5 cedis pɛ o ba ko 5 cedis na Ade Akye Awada pɛ o ba ko 5 cedis pɛ o ba ko 5 na Ade Akye fiada na pɛ na sate egu no no da so gusu pɛ o ba ko 5 cedis na Ade Akye memene da na pɛ na e fabre na Ade Akye kwasi da pɛ o ba ko 5 cedis wote ho de pɛ o ba ko 5 cedis na e brand adru na pɛ na bro na waboka kwasi ahunu sɛ pɛ na meton no ebre entinementi bo no so na yɛntɔ ne ntem na mfiri hɔ na no cocoa board de bia fibia mfie kodo ho yɛn koko a yɛtɔn no ɛde ma amononefo no yɛfrɛ bibi forward sales ɛyɛ a very good marketing strategy sanse ɛyɛ commodity a ne volatility no ɛyɛ very 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 high enyina fa ko in fact every business day ɛbo no ɛkɔso na abafo enti commodity bi saa na ɔman no esikasɛm ɛfa pem no yɛmfa nkoto chacha enti na bribia no commodity of that nature no woyɛ forward sales na wo hedge at a certain price average price ya emba wonya financial stability with me project ye with me your konta ye sanse you be very safe you avoid every risk ya yes had ye fitititi sa Dr. Ade Akye Abia o say ono de onya ne sa obeye ne fe spot price selling enti ensusu enti ya ode yes sa no madwene ya me say enam say wo ye sports administrator no free sports mu ne ba ye enti no ye na anim say sports mu de betting ekoso ho pa na betting so ye taking risk na ohwa sania yen koko time a 2025-2026 season na Cocoa Board CEO and finance minister ni aban we announce Cocoa Boa sa time na world market price no eye be say 7,800 and 8,000 mu ba now what who wan kwankwaye forward sales no a hedge price no on average anton also what transport price san say oh take that high risk no enu mpo de enkanya bone na wote ho a price no world market Ade Akye na free 7,200 na aba 7,000 na ukoko ni go na wote ho na Ade Akye na aba 6,800 na koko ni go na wote ho na aba 6,000 na Dr. Ade Akye koko ni go na wote ho na baba be do 5,500 still no wote ho also there be kosoro ase watwa bet na do first half wa na bet for no say amama cash out na wo hwe pa say Chelsea match enka wo cash out wa enka wo be safe also Chelsea be because Chelsea share us no be cost we nyeska bebre that is the betting thinking Dr. Ade Akye na so free sports mu na also betting di akotire ho point so de ba kokko mu also e be kosoro no what ho na price e be do $5,000 per ton na kokko no go da so te ho ko pempempen so say afedi aba be do 4,200 there afedi pen na bre ama kwase ate pen no ho ama wantimi ante pen ne bo so anton pen wa bra pen gu so a egu no kwasi ate pair no ho gusu di pair ba ko 5 series pair ba ko 5 series ana pair na bre abɔ no so ene ne yen koko no ko diamond so a ye ton 4200 amen ne ye koko ne de koko ton 4200 na sika de makua for krampo ye nya ntina wo se baabi adu no de edu adwa fa me pieto brem na se wo se bo no ana aban etiso enti mi hu no se this is the making of the bad decision of President John Mahama. Say a very sensitive and important sector like the cocoa sector. Now, of all your NDC form penifua or munim cocoa mu from the western north, I have for moi or my cocoa what you might take cocoa mu and fin. Na obia mfata cocoa board CEO say obia or ya sports person na e ho bet twa
oh that's really mad
and now the bet na cocoa board CEO
ebia na credentials
bet because papa ya kan we the cocoa mu na wuni mu a this is marketing strategy
and make say bia or marketing a year how
marketing strategy be no e kire wo say what the commodity ya ne price no e very volatile. Now who said day by day the price keep on reducing.
Sompa FM.
Our marketing expert, our office. Price name free 8,000, ma 4,000 that grow. It didn't happen overnight. Day by day, a one ba nearby 78, 76, 74, 72. Kwasi o ton pair, no te pair no ho. One to son ka se o pair ne brinti no. Me te pesa mi ato oguso se me ma me se pen no ba ko 5 cedis o te ho kwase o ton pe o 5 cedis ana pen abre abolo so eninti this first bad decision by Omampere Mahama to appoint a sports person to head a very sensitive sector like cocoa board no eye mfonso di kan ne atosu mi enu san say we eye a square peg in a round hole emfa they are tossing me, you know. Kasa any bad politics at 2024. Nampu ya tu abawi ya modi koko ye politics. Eko chan tro di kontompo di akohwie. Eche koko akuya for dada wamu se. MPP ya bambone. No mudi omo ba. Omo 65 million. Now mo buy 65 million o man timi anfama wo mo
6,500
for mo kan new currency o mo ntiase na Nkwantabisa
you say dia
65 million o mo ti aso mo kan million mo kan million na wan timi anfama wo mo na
bati wrap up mama
wa nya bibia ma wa ase a ye jabo no kro no ni 65 million wa nya anfama no a ne 128 now the total kwa no kwa manuel
knowing very well say word price marketing and so we know the fluctuation in
so
cocoa
is it not even that fluctuation now we need to say the word market price munti and na modeler yadia ye aduma fiti mfe ko jo ho ya forward sale like hedge price
no and so spot buying
now I think one go here no e say na wood cocoa ni tabet say me twan e be cost e cost order ne be cost ready and ne bet e diwa and the cocoa na aba from cocoa na boss
Sharif
ye be sre akuafo so munya abotre fa ma aban kakra na baby adu no de the bad decisions and they be do baby adu nto munya abotre fa ma aban no
Sharif bache
me nua meje so
na ndia ma muti say
enu ma boboko
good cocoa
baby a ene Ghana wo yi baby a ene cocoa board situation wo yi eye MPP na nado danko Akufo-Addo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia the former CEO of Cocoa Board and ade yakoba bi ewe wo bibebu sase adentia sometimes aya na hu behia say wo wuni a wo srese yenya de bi yie no ebre bi dui na wo na wo te sa ade nwa no so what was the decision you made in making sure say wo mo beba wachi aba be mane office no eno ama be kototen edi amom. As of the time Yewura Randy Abe ebabe rane affairs ewo ye cocoa board. E car na cocoa board ede aye 32.9 billion Ghana cedis. Because say management awodua no mo ye no ye cocoa board ewo Yewura Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo and Dr. Mahmoud Mahama apenso no na nya dia ekai. Ne senti ne sen. Ye wo kromu ha ya di cocoa board ahye wonsa. Se toto nuoma se be ya temamufo no ebenye koko no so mfaso because ye mpo koko na ba bedani an avenue ayetimi faso epeja ye economy no ejina brane one way or the other. Enti akwa bibiara so a wo befa so atoto nuoma ama nuoma ejina brane ama wo bibiara hunu se cocoa board na ya di bejam no bibiara ekototin. 2016 His Excellency John Dramani Mahama efra ben na cocoa board anyam faso 1.9 billion Ghana cedis ba ye mo de Canada ye 32.9 billion Ghana cedis na hwade wa ha. In the year 2021 cocoa board boka 395 million Ghana cedis. 2022 cocoa board boka 78 million Ghana cedis. 2023 aye 73 million Ghana cedis. 2024 cocoa board boka 76 million Ghana cedis. Wait till I say cocoa board say I say ne prices na bunkam so a party no ntimi nya bibian fa won government ne ntimi nya bibian fa won adise ye take drastic measures for ne say be ye economy a wo mko mu be ye den abadwi wo mo anything ye di cocoa board ja wo se hwe cocoa board so abra ye di cocoa board ja wo se hwe cocoa board so no Momo buy before say John Dramani Mahama be free abamu na cocoa for ye mo free fertilizers. After free fertilizers no ye mo aye this agric extension officer see mo cocoa spray cocoa ne de mo free of charge. Mo buy ye mo ton fertilizers mo to the essence say wo cost a hwide bi so a ye giant fertilizers go because na kuafo no nto e ma cocoa ni fertilizers no go process ye e ma expiring date e kan. Na the woman say si ye betimi aye saade wei ama na ye fa e wo se ye hwe ba bi e free ba ade ama ne ye wo ba bi e wan nyina ne say koko a mo gi sika di to nyina mo di syndicated loans ne kwato he and na sa syndicated loans no mo duma hyade awodo a mo ye ya man to koko no dodo a mo gi hu sika ni ntino eno na ma Ghana wo ba bi e wei mo gi $800 million some more supply cocoa. Ebesi na me no wo kase we have a rollover ya ka rollover any saying rollover ne say cocoa at that time na mo tono 31 million cocoa at that time na mo tono 31 million no enne e was say aban ni betu aka abra world market prices no abafom at a price of 31 million now you want a rollover of 333,000 metric tons of cocoa. It is a wo bro saka we gu honum na aban no buy ya wo buy ye no cocoa board books nyina e ka bunka mumma awo mo ji wo mo ho ba bia enje enti kwan ben so no mo be fa so aye hedge no if say one kasa wo equity no it's not enough you don't have enough liquidity a woni sika dodo a wo betimi de aye saa anuoma ya ebeye den na cocoa board net me agina ne na so anuntina His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ani Yewura Kesala to forcing e ba ye no mo say situation nanya bawi akuafo ba bia wo mu we ye nya wura mawi and ye nyina ye nim say cocoa buo be kosoro cocoa buo be ba forma ejina world market prices so currently ye nyina ye di nkomo memia wage atum say world market price no abafom say world market price no abafom I was set chinchinichi aye den na ukoto cocoa 36 million na wo di akwa adwama so akwa kotono eboa enurusa aya Ghana mom na akwa akoboka enti kwan ben so na wose ye fa so I was here for kwan so a ye betimi absorb the debts ebu cocoa board kom anointing his excellency other cabinet through the finance minister say and tempano saka ebu kam cocoa board so no womo je ka no omunye de omuntua se be ya do omu benya clear books going forward no womo betimi edi dwuma no sene yesimi yeden efata etoso biom say ya awodu ayi cocoa rose wani na amaka doso bunkam cocoa board so mo ji omo baabi a enye no yemfa ka which is almost about 26 billion Ghana cedis no yemfa nko eye minister of roads na yemfa nko ka aye omo ka ewo ho no wo wie ye na so ho what the 500 million US dollars adi akwa roads minister say in between these cocoa communities na kwa bibiara wo honom bia atechema bia no yanhwe ne yemfo sa sika we so masene kopem say cocoa industry ne world market prices no ebegina brane ye wie na so ha ye the an instrument ko parliament ade be na sa instrument ne koye ya sama ye ka nyina ne say cocoa prices ba be kosoro a enya afei na ye ba betenase because cocoa prices cost do $12,000 per metric ton but sabre no eduru ye no wo hwe MPP fo sika no mo di to cocoa no as of that time no ma chese sika botini no be ensia ana mo ma akuafo ne baako but sabe ne yade a eye the NDC administration pese ye de ye twa eso etidi ye ne say ye the airline no ko parliament na de ye kwa koyeni say ye cocoa buoko $20,000 cra. Ye be make sure say 70% of the world market cocoa price will go to the farmers. Not 30% you know ababan ho. And this is what the government is preparing. And today you say ye pese ye ma ayetimamufu no and the cocoa
to farmers 30 to government.
30 to government. And today what me say?
We will continue with other year more planning here. Cushion of farmers, we decide. We
decide. Extension farmer, extension officers are cry. No one more call a year akuafo one omajaiko. There is one particular farmer be a what back with an outburst that one lambasted the opposition government say as of the time I know more bemuno they were struggling to buy fertilizers. They were struggling to buy agrochemicals. Etienne say wo baba gina hanom na na say wo yo wudua broni woni tadua kire e ma ne luku asif say as ye wurarande aba ya de na kwakoto office wo no onim ohunu ne ho ano. Meanwhile that is not the case. But the actual fact of the issue they say it is out of the gross mismanagement of your government and the then CEO aye dina as a prudent person you are of sound mind 4 months to aye the 2024 election with this kind of $48 million so wo kwa koto bottle ya di cocoa gum tienie abra ya wo bottle gu hodada e betimi am ya di cocoa akwa mononi close to 3 years down the line. Now the Maura who say free 2022, 2023, 2024, cocoa bottle would do muto yen dasugu haba yen and you call yourself say Sawan ya chrono to one mom your own chabet.
But
Sawan ya chrono what one mom media one sansen. Sawan ya chrono to one media one yakwasiano wakotompe. But Randiaba one waba be yen no mama no imagine brani ni mom yakwasia.
Ebu beni atebe wa ankansa.
No. Oh, tie. Oh, senior tie. Usa o ka se mama ni tie. Usa se ebu beni atebe tia. Ye die what.
But it will be difficult for me to defend anyone of myself.
But listen, the point of it is that you don't call somebody as astute as Randy Abbey. So yeah. Where you bet.
Oba what is all okay, that's
fine. But the woman say
implies from the background it could be that go from Jabet.
Me ya wo kasa na metia ma me see from senior me say eti me pesa me
but with jute bags no button did you listen to Edu
senior
almost say almost procure 2 years ahead
and
every year eba omuyin in badges
so ayadai na
and time omu buy no na badges afi na say 2 years there no
about ayadai na 2023 ni 2022 there na so gu ayenya
na so 2 years
that bio there deɛ randia be can say deɛ go cocoa board say see no e betimi supply cocoa board for a frame of 2 years.
What then is up among procure some for the next 2 years.
Na say na mbeda koto.
Ya
beda koto. Enti dia me can say mesre etiefo.
Okay.
Mesre akuku dam ne anintini a omo wo eye dis cocoa areas a omo do cocoa. They should bear with the government. Currently, situation na yewom nu kodefu afu kom almost about 123,000 metric tons aka wuram a wo mu hunu sidi omo fanye. Ghana ban aso regional plan a omo boa ama bibia ayenkama.
A quick one, Namisansha say with Sheriff on Fifi because it's coming from your party. Fifi, what is
so a quick rebuttal. I'm going to be Sandy Adiama. I'm a producer.
Yes, I think we have it. Yeah,
I think we should, as it were, kill this propaganda that the NDC communicators and Dr. Randiabe are peddled over the period. Say one, Cocoa Board almost 2 billion. Now, what is on the screen? Cocoa Board almost financial report of Ghana as of 17 December 2024. Producer called page 7, mommy. Okwa the first table, the first appendix, the financial position of Cocoa Board as at 17th December 2024. Producer called mommy, page 7. Now you will notice from page 7 say, your first part no Cocoa Board ni assets. Now when you are talking about financial report, I talk about assets and liabilities. Cocoa Board asset here as at 17 December, now you 30.27 billion Ghana cedis. And we are now almost asset no. And a liability here, and no more than any if one young hoarding air propagating air can one some no, and we are 31.7 billion. Now, what is the asset every liability more? We have a net liability of 1.4 billion. Now, even that, the finance minister at forcing in 2026 budget report that they made revenue of $3.9 billion US. Go and read your own budget. And it's how propaganda ne a question in Trona or my dear some be 2 billion. Or mon kanka who say on be nyasi council 31.7 billion so the. So you don't do this to the people of this country. Say what cause mess? Oh, Cocoa Board by your singular decision of not doing forward sales by finding the average price and hedge at that and do forward sales. Okay. That's what I hope to tap that. That's a never can do. For a poor need the Emma Cocoa Quiafono. Nepo much say I didn't mind any year. But you now go back to blame. Yeah, page 7, my page 7. I was here. Page 7.
I think we get it.
No.
Time.
That's
substantive. You were now also substantive. Now also tender. And your rebata now be tender. You know rebata is just a few.
Because that no more charge.
Why
the financial report is there. Producer
now 50 quote on elections issues.
Minya Kwame Nkwantabisa meda wasipi na anwa we ye ne bi koso e wo ye nsa wo madu agiri kwantempo no so na ha adwen eja makoye nadmuni de e wo se ye conscientize with the family enye easy tanker truck and a tour form na eja tom VIP bus baku
said the bia some me betina american say your behavior no as many people want to siphon a fool or bra yen was accident the bia me kasa asem and you him say yes car na na eba no omu gina na senko nyina by the time I realize it necessary well I feel apply brakes no and a strike ignite fire and now ko na bi nso agu fom no na and ye pow very unfortunate I don't pay me ra ho pa na me de to sa no me ra ho pa
enti we dey ani diem na ye besere se as safety officers no say katanka ka koto from wo baby a mesrew enya fe na wo kofa jerry kan afei na wo kofa pan akwa sabi mesrew ma wa onkwa wonya den ehia me say kle wo musi ye de enwera fita gugugugu nipa so dawo as a boroba and a good form. I'm telling you, close almost about 13 to 15 people. One must say, Jonobel, one must obako crowd the old Johnny. It's explosion the bayano, and I catch no, and what down baby or dana. Tia bessere, and the cross your best remo and yado. Say your best near to Sana mo in a bibia, I come. Now a bit of woman temu no the bola, kogu, and you go temua, Miss Row, Sini who, na fanema, I tankers for no monchena son. Mura. Asema yewura fifi koti ekahe no asempa was going forward no yede eboy kotodwem ne yede bobra now I think say me me bra ye be hia wo ha eka sasemi say political divide no sa no ma we eyade a ekoso but ye betimi eliminate na Nkwantabisa ne clear all these are fine gentlemen and they would come. You would like to lead your people. Na sebre ne kokodu na papa bia ono takum bia wakotena Canada penisika abrewu ka okapremai na wonso pempiedi but you have all the qualities you deserve why you adwuma so wasenka grassroots ne reward you but ubon so bi de ne nsemu a edu aba be fechiri ba no kwasem ewom ne say kwasem ewom so ne say Sidia anamontua the NDC etua for sadie we no. I think say the MPP and the national executive must also reciprocate because this issues the just ended presidential primaries ye nyina ye tete nsem ba ko mienu miensa bi wo ho. So if possible na se ye nyina ye sori atu ho anamon as a party it will go ahead. Say the young ones in between our party no could also have proper fertile grounds to grow. Say going forward no bibi biara betia gina brane di ama the political divide because so obi kokwaje contract bisika e de ba be elections now kwaje kopodwe now oba no at parliament no abeje party card no akotena UK no akopesi card di aba mama bre organize grassroots na wie no no di sika aba be hwipu election no wono no finance enti no do omo aba be hwipu age eye votes ni nyina no wawi ni na fe wo a wo bre na wo se grassroots no wo wo de wo no na wutifie no omo ko na safo ni bo mu buga wi afa de ne yepe wachira kwan na anu akwaye ye ko no wotwa boy and so that time no one akro de wura fi se wakwa akoto ne conscience dia masa woni akro no enti woni akro ni hu ne se sebre ne se du kro na sabato sa ba biem a eye sika na wo hia oba no de abema no wasa kwa akotwi condemn biem enti mesere se the MPP shouldn't find fun say Ade Akye NDC by establishing our position unequivocally no they should see it as a laughing stock or something but it's something worth emulating going forward never boy ama your political terrain the young ones within the political divide no would also have a fertile ground.
Thank you overclear
na I'm really at the answer or said them for communication until or interest or part in our agenda will move to the other. Oh, yeah, will be so tata pa customer be tata into the here.
Financial be about but I don't know you. I hear groundswork at Jumano or woman say nipan bit my but cash in tea.
Oh, quite funny.
No go feel.
Okay, the crack is and your car. Oh, Monsieur Bubani Betty at the pump. Before the coffee equator issue, and I feel it's only fair to our viewers and our listeners. My producer projecting by was I ready that page Hong Kong page 7 Hong Kong in that boy that used to Cocoa board assets here 2017 handed them out I 30 billion near liability we had them 31 billion okay you know my net 1.4 billion and you know credit that say 32 billion county and the entiment to Equiafoka. Name or gross mismanagement because we have a square peg in a round hole. Now, if you quote the issue, there, I feel say he just be doing politics. It sounds say, near course or Ayawasu East now, and I'm going to be saying, but now I condemn. I mean, I feel say it's just right that we condemn. Now, the next year we now if you want to justify as a Yawam cry course, we are late here. Now I won't call be account home. O probi so nso later account ho na mumye na mwatimi akwaje mbana ye den abom ebi na oye Ghana for so amade gu ndc for so awo sa ade esi yese ye che sika ye che television ye che kivo gari ye che sanitary pass ene kosua ya no ane makoni na mo no Ghana for etwa machi ma no ene omu pe obi aka omo ho ene omu di ba be for MPP Nkwantabisa na no MPP ye kwa abato 26 31st year Ghana ni bia o Ghana ni bia hu say ekoso there is no single video or evidence to show say obi obi television obi kita television won motuo mu Nkwantabisa ya huru bi say obi kita mu bi anase TV bi say motuo mu anase koso ya no obi woko ho ne ya huno we are youth activists minia de ya hunu di ho dance here Sharif we de ya hunu and ye di ho dance here and me say catch 7 million catch ma me say wa say ne ya hunu ne di ho dance here ne ya hunu aba TV so ma ya nyina ye de ni kosu ya hwabie and say ye nuanu man di form wa ya waso ebinya obi anya motorbike moto na ye pia kwa mu na ye na ye hu bi video ye na ye hu television na Nasco na se Samsung shisha hu usame sto moto mu yes azu hu kosua makoni ekokona gene wo mu kwa na so mu ko hu yes azu hu buta yes azu hu anwa gallon eno ne ye ka ho asem na MPP for ya to ya ba wie peaceful obi aboy abaso Ghana ase bibia nsie no eno na aba betwe de abawu mu why late ya kona otita nkobo enkotwe obi nkase metwe obi so na ye late aka mo na kwaje abaye de abom ko na ohye OSP so se o de kata ababo nto so okoro wo hwehwe mebo a ye ntwan OSP no ko.
Okay, all right, me that say Clement Mesa Shasin for Dr. Baumia Thanksgiving a quick one na enko.
And I know Dr. Mamu Baumia the party n'animo e ma yekoye thank you yekoda nyankopon ase ye started Friday no am yeko mos e ma ye de asadakoma ala ana ne question da ye enran so yekoda nyame ase so UPSC. It's just right that we thank the Almighty God so here ye presidential prime minister na say na as stakes near very high no wo church na onim say ase huma so for ni kwa be hyehyehye nkom kura say boy 11 a obi ba twituo ne entro hunu ne nkom hunu bi ni na mu no amasa largely everybody in this country including our friends in the NDC are all praising and say yetimi aye a very peaceful at the internet ya de hu hia say dance na wo hwe ensemo ne kasa e course so e wo program na say na so I think say na e kama say ni na be koso sasan say party no ba bi agency sia no enkabo mu ene ade hu hia pa kese eno nti ye beda party mpenifo nyina so mo hye dwumadie yi ni asre party man say kasa ekoso ina ye mfa na ye hwe ne ye nuanu man disifo ye idia na to ye MPP ni a 2024 ankoto aba ye da wase otwe wo party na so na party ni dwumadie na na mo ba akumieni bi wo ho no ma na wani enje ho ene nti ye ma wadibem udibem otwe party na so ene nti wa mpia ankoto aba ye da wase nemo ye besa so asre wo say enam say di kama odibi muntinu ya start granto e say ma wo say o part ne wo pe wo do part ni ntina part ni ye ne ma ba ko mienu bia osusu say wanyenye hu nti wankoto ama aba fa madoma ama na wotina afie be stre wo say so wo say chinya wo da e ho na wota free nti be stre say wo hwe ne ma murezi ye a na ye mo challenges enu nti man pia koto aba na you could say to a large extent part in the reforms any amendment aba it goes to solve almost all the challenges in tia ye part what do na pian koto aba now so try enkabo musron ko so a aba after say ya to aba no a say wo ya party na wa to aba ya so sabra
thank you
na ya party no
Nana JC Kappa, you are here still blaming NPP at this time. Hey Ko, you knew all this and you guys were lying to the farmers that you increase it to 6,000 Ghana. When you come to power, we free Nana JC Kappa. I know this a question no. Okateche appear here for say MPP party. Never again. Masawood Kumase Bantama. In the run-up to 2024 election, we warned Ghanaians about the second coming of JDM, but they didn't listen. The good people of Ghana have already regretted voting for this visionless and incompetent NDC government. Ghanaians will surely show them the exit come 2028, hashtag Baumia Beba 2028, regards to Honorable Sampai, National First Vice Chairman hopeful. And then this one too is from Kofi Nat. Kofi writes this morning and says all Ghanaians should come out massively to demonstrate against the reduction of cocoa prices because this is not what NDC promised Killnet government. Sharif, MPP Thanksgiving party reconciliation and all that.
Yeah, senior, to say asama minye ken moko shedem na modern krata bi babontie ya na mohwe we Joy News Online. NDC inherits a debt of 32.9 million Ghana cedis. So a billion Ghana cedis. So enough of some concocted information now. We are
saying that you also gave you asset in that same page.
Sina the woman say, Baumian Semna Wokan, Kayara, Yankopon Yat Yamawa, Udanasia, a ye. But you know, Quasamu so woman say, you won't send be one more, moke catcher, one more. A bimo de cha, a ye. Would me cock at me catcher, a yeura. A ye can a Japan. Say what bought them not drain or not drain a BB, Hana drain. Safo no moke kan sansem no kla wona me be ya adwen se e wo se Dr. Mamudu Baumia pa kwanya bi e ma safo e ko papa nanim ko pa na chawo because say be ya ene yewura ken et won ma obahunu se ampa sansensem we ya moke kan ye no e yensem a wono Dr. Mamudu Baumia no na ne bo nya den enyo so enti esafata se wo so mo ye den wo mo pa ho achawo ye wo kromu ha ya na ne ye wo ekromu haya na ne ye wo ana you can say you catch what's the name Dr. Mamudu Baumia say oye kontompo ni nabramani wano ne party ni ya se bobo chiche so firi so ase be catch wo se odanchema wu a ya gina chini a enye yi ye wo kromu ya na yewura napo ebe catch ye say cabinet members are no musia ko cabinet meetings sebi woman nyina na dwen papa bia ni omutirim so we Dr. Mamudu Baumia si nchen a womo na omaka nyina ye ti bonkosofo no ma adwen papa bia yadai eni omutirim a wodi omo ye hwe a enye ye sansem wei a womo kekaye no ekwan ben so na obefa so adane sankofo we nyina ma omo hunu se aye ni ne running mate ya twen so ode ne beba no so wanfa na po ama me kam papa na ye be demonstration na Thomas be the
0548931931 mpk call so no 0548931931 0551931931 na message dia wapa se pa ni di se kra John Jakubu Upper Dentra East constituency cocoa farming area. Okay, inter say where the chinapa was a binya abotama thesis. Hello, good morning. Me paso Montreal line mami. Hello, good morning.
Good morning,
Champion Rama 1.
Senior, Ogolo
Sampa.
Senior, Mamintia, Sompa, TV, Mommy, Shadow for Basso. In fact, I'm in chair for John Dramani Man. I'm in chair, Honorable Ade Akye Abia, Agriculture Minister. Jesus, Oko Asema Ye Kano. Oko a German Swa. Senior, Tikoko ni bonus. Senior, on the Sampa, they have been quite vast. Oh, yeah, brother, Ghana, yeah, Ghana, upon the compare Cote d'Ivoire. What was the number of one part Ghana upon? I feel for any Chabanya Sremo. I bet you soon a yaki. Could just any Chabanya and I just over the Kiabro. Yes, just say a tattoo cocoa bomb. Could just any Chabanya. So what you mean, converse to the case? You know, to me, yeah, poor. I didn't say Vice President and Barumia. Thank you to now continue.
Merase. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Open Home to say.
Yamiado opinion also what to say.
Yamana don't know what is a bomb is about.
Odin.
The battle of friend is a catastrophe of physical quality.
Good, Mentiano pay.
Remember about Sonam Sompa, Sompa TV, a chief in every full nara. Now I mentioned the champion chairman and Nakushi region chairman and the channel Papa. Open because the crowd may catch it. Ghana for you and to Yapan, and Nanam Kuko, say. The best say, Umunya was young Papa Exchange John Ramana and Namu. Papa Ushe and Shepa what the mouth before. I was saying the best shop with Fusubunya today. Mukas of Muti MP before some Mokana. And Yadia was Exchange John Ramani Mama. I'll be a phone of a party Papa. It's Sremu, Umunda with Papa, Kukuna Yatisono, and then the pen of the tissue. And then a to one market yasso. MP depends what. Now, who board game of Papa, that's because so. And the end is 4 car MP before pencil. Then, mathematics or Hattie, you wish to know what I throw an answer there.
Okay, hello, good morning. Opinion did baby after free.
Patio Mediane, Onada from a free cookie.
Good, I don't pay into your opinion.
You're the American said. Remember. My family people as anti-mine Ghana mine now. No question me. I say, oh, my penny, Mahama, dear. No question me. Nadia, the catch Ghana for no one tea. Ubia, what the dear Kuya, Pia Ubia, ye, Juma, Eddie. If you me and son, yeah, it was one day of Summi and son who beat him a tria. Penny and Pa, Bosumi and son who tria. Penny Powie, what can one answer to the noon to say? Ukano kweka krawo chankunto mpoka kra. Yinti na se nipa we ye ta kofa na se wonsa medi o mansu. Nti Ghana for de so ne awia na ebo ye medamu ase.
Me so me say thank you Barbara. Yan fala so. Hello, good morning.
Morning sir.
Yes, our opinion din baby after free.
Only am na ba ko pe.
Good.
O pe ka de no be mo fada so.
Me tu aro pay.
Yeah, pa. Ana pay bi ya don ko. Amomo ne menye. Papa e ho tire yo. Papa, I'm going to warm Papa, men Canada. I never mind $1 platform. Which are platform now. I said, I want to know I am more. I want to say, Russia needs me better than Ghana. That's my home because I want to know whom to Paracao beginning a year or so for the benefit. I saw chicken home. I'm not a foreigner. I used to get yours. Yes, I guess. I'm going to get for the fact I want to say, or I look at it. Ebi sida ese abambia ba ese koku eboso ebi sida ese John Dominic Mahama abanwe ene edisia abamo tantanwe.
May I say thank you very much. Of course, so MC Amianya birthday is in 10 free autumn. Be money de be who you de. Be so any brisk obi won so hu bronia ze bronia bro chiri da. Obi kura se na no so so be ware brodi nti hu na ntam. O de tra na nkom she be be abeka chem. Vera Ejewa, today is your birthday. Happy birthday to Ejewa Vera of Afosu Nursing Training School. From your lover, Sir Lofty, Fosu Nursing Training School. Lofty said, Yame, Esha, no, your kese. Yame from Fradum, Quadum. Hey, Sir Lofty. Oh, taste you. Happy birthday. And come on, Sansuna, happy birthday. Happy belated birthday to Valentina of Easy Beauty Plus at Ashia. Me who yanam who baby free. We free kwajo obi ho. Me who yanam si obi ensa anwa. Happy birthday Obapa. Nyame for adumu kwa adumu. Ahofene ntoaso a you are so beautiful. Happy birthday Oba Valentina. Enjoy your day. Afei, happy birthday to Director of Research, Emma MPP Bono Region, Henry Kakari. Happy belated birthday. Dan was the birthday, they see na koko dada sa dada nyetiti koko so into any birthday no. It's happy belated birthday, Henry Kakari, Director of Research. Enjoy your beautiful day. And afei, happy birthday, Enso Nkoma Richard Asamoah Blessing. Way efriu papa. Omono Asamoah of Asantiago na Akrofonso o papa say nyini be panyini kese o pese nyame sha no nyo kese happy birthday blessing o papa do abusuanfo ne do yenso so ye do enti ene ma wani nye say wa woda happy birthday. Thank you gentlemen for joining us. I don't pay nyame sha bibia se o tena se na o ma ye somo samre die nkumsa sports no are ready Mbapa any team no etena se no ma som yen. I'm sure Bibi I don't think any change now.